In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, you have to press the PS button on your controller. Now go to Game Base. Here in Game Base, go to Messages. Now open any one of your friends' message and here write bing.com. Then go on send and send that message. Now go on that message and press X. Now wait for a few seconds. Now the Bing web browser will open. Now if you want to zoom in, press the R3 to zoom in. Now this is the Bing, and if you want to access Google, you can search here for Google. So press X here and write Google. Search for Google. And now here go to the Google. Put your cursor on Google and press X. Now go to the Google search and press X, and here is the Google search. So this is how you can use Google on your PS5. So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching.